To check the speed of your internet connection, click on the network icon on the taskbar. Now, click on the small arrow next to the network icon. Then, scroll down and click on Test Internet Speed. Once you click on it, your default web browser will open, and you will be taken to this page. Here, click on Start to check your internet speed. Wait until the process is complete. Okay, it's done. This shows that my download speed is 82.54 and my upload speed is 93.41. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching TechBee. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for the latest videos. Thank you.